Greetings, my name is Julissa Soto, a student of the foreign language degree with an emphasis in English. Then I will shower the occasion. According to the occasion, do you like to dance or sing? It is important. Lead, hit, dance, and singing. Activities are social expression with force is physical and cultural entertainment. Due to things it feelings are involved when dancing with certain strong moments, the chat ties the body. Transmit communication through scenes, stories, tastes, and so on in front of these parts in the same way involving singing as source of liberation makes people feel more relaxed and connect with themselves or with another world or the cultures. Through real and fantasy stories, expressed connect with human being in a daily life. Offering the same person to connect with her feel or know her walk-ons in an instinct touch, it is also important that these are a part of social integral and personal growth on the human being in order to know a life more about how fleet his body, his face pensions about. With a low taste, his art have very good intramis and serious sensations and very shoes. Happy crying, lungs, nervous signs, and all this is reduced in a very peculiar and recurrent expression to the dance and signs are emblem of communication of something that in our teeth will always good and in hand with human being to build now and tour of globes. Another hand it is important to know develop test tips of activities are benefits human. Of the one of benefits is the cording that develops from in the right moment that person carries with dance. Another of the benefits is a health that activates blood circulation more in singing, the celerity that he remembers stories that they are statement from these are in order to prove a highlight and artist and memory